Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question from economics class 11 chapter 4 poverty. Our question is, why are employment generation programs important in poverty alleviation in India? In India, twin problems exist, that is poverty and unemployment. Poverty alleviation has been one of the guiding principles of the planning process in India. Poverty can effectively be eradicated only when the poor start contributing to growth by their active involvement in the growth process. This can only be achieved by launching various employment schemes. Following points discuss the importance of employment generation programs to eradicate poverty. Nexus between unemployment and poverty. There exists a deep nexus between unemployment and poverty. If employment opportunities are generated, then more people will be employed, leading to rise in their income, which in turn will reduce poverty. Availability of basic facilities. With the rise in employment opportunities, income increases and poor people are able to get access to education, health facilities, proper sanitation, etc. Creation of assets. The employment generation programs aim at creation of assets like water harvesting, irrigation facilities, construction of roads, construction of dams, etc. All these assets help in the social and economic development of the rural areas and hence eradication of poverty. Creation of skills. An essential element of employment generation programs is the formation of human capital by imparting skills to the unskilled laborers through training. This skill formation enhances income earning capability of poor people. Thus, such poverty alleviation programs like Prime Minister's Rozgar Yojana, Swarn Jayanti Sahari Rozgar Yojana, National Food for Work Program, Annapurna all came into existence. Thank you, and for more such content, subscribe to Intellify.